Okay, today we are replacing the stock exhaust on Jason's 2018 STI with the Invidia Dual exhaust system, the blue tips. Here we go. Okay, we're going to start by removing the old mufflers and work our way forward.
We are 9/16.
Now, there is a hanger up in the outer side of the muffler, and then one on the inside that's a lot easier to get to. If you slide the muffler all the way forward, you can get the outer hanger loose. Slip it up over. You can drop this down. Slide the muffler forward. And there it is. Alright, here's the intermediate pipe with the Y pipe back here. I found it's actually easier to get it off if you pull the top of the rubber instead of trying to get the bottom off while it's on the car. The fronts were, I used a 9/16 and a 12mm 6-point on the front, and it seemed to come off pretty easily, so glad we got that off.
That's a rip.
That's nice, that nifty little bag taped to the box. Alright, unsleeve it. The excitement on his face is just too much to handle. Look at that thing.
I feel like it's Christmas time.
Oh.
Yeah.
G'day, mate. She's a beaut. It's the bag of bolts they gave us. We got, looks like the 4 total flange gaskets there, and all the nuts and bolts, and give us 2 stickers. It's a nice new pipe compared to the old one. A lot heftier. Okay. Yee. It's kind of like a baby. Alright, here is a cold start with just the intermediate and the Y pipe. Good. Alright, exhaust is finished. Voila. Alright, all you really need to remove and install both systems, 14mm wrench, 12mm wrench, 14mm socket, 12mm socket. 6-point preferred on everything. You should be good to go. So Jason, what time is it?
Hammer time.
Cold start, Invidia, twin exhaust, 3-inch up front, 4-inch tips. Here we go. guys, at this point we got the Invidia N1 Dual exhaust package on. Sounds pretty good for a bolt-on package, but not quite loud enough for us. So we're going to go ahead and order some more parts, and we're going to make another video. Thanks for watching.